I'm Chris Elliott, Professor of Food Safety from Queen's University Belfast, and also I'm the coordinator of the EU-China Safe project. I want to give you a little bit of information about some of the things that we are setting out to tackle, and that's about loss of consumer trust in our food supply systems because of issues around food safety, because of issues about food fraud. But also we want to think about how we can enhance and build the trade relationships between Europe and China, so for the betterment of all of our citizens. So we have a 4-year project that involves 16 partners from 11 countries in Europe, and that's a mixture of universities, research organisations and large food businesses. And we have 17 partners from China, also from that mixed range of stakeholders. We're working together to build stronger food safety systems both in Europe and China. So how are we setting out to do this? We're looking at innovations in traceability. We're looking at things like blockchain technology. How can blockchain be used to track and trace goods and products moving from Europe to China, from China to Europe? We're also looking at some of the innovations in terms of how you can detect when people are trying to cheat your food system, food fraud. We're looking at innovations in laboratory-based techniques. We're looking at innovations in portable testing technologies. Food safety is also a massive issue in terms of some of the challenges that we have right across the world, and we have a very large amount of activity going on in food safety, trying to make sure our food is free from chemicals, trying to make sure our food is free from microbiological agents. And again, we're looking at innovations in next-gen sequencing, we're looking at innovations in advanced mass spectrometry to try to guarantee that our food is safe to eat. And a lot of these things that we're developing during the project is transferring the knowledge, the know-how from one continent to another. So we have massive training programs going in place. I regularly host some fantastic Chinese academics and researchers to my university, and we've got a great mobility program ongoing. What we want to try to stop in the future are trade disputes between the EU and China because of food safety issues, because of food fraud issues. We're coming together, we're forming a critical mass of researchers who know each other, who can rely on each other, who like working together. And what we are going to do is build a much stronger food safety system for all of our citizens together.